Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to insert a calendar in a Confluence page. Imagine having all your important meetings, events, and key dates organized neatly in one place, right within your Confluence workspace. Sounds convenient, right? Well, that's exactly what we'll be doing today. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to seamlessly embed a calendar into your Confluence page, making it easier for every team member to stay updated and organized. To begin, you'll want to start at your Confluence homepage. This is essentially your launchpad, where all your Confluence activities originate. If you're aiming to keep your team informed about key dates and events without any hassle, embedding a calendar directly into your Confluence page is a smart strategy. From the homepage, navigate to the specific workspace you're working in. Selecting the correct workspace is crucial, as it ensures that your content is organized in the right place, which helps maintain the clarity and structure of your data. Once you've chosen your workspace, the next step is to locate and click on the page where you want to insert the calendar. It's important to ensure that this is the correct page, as having your calendar in the right spot will keep your dates and events neatly organized and easily accessible for anyone who needs them. Now that you're on the desired page, go ahead and click on the Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode where you have the freedom to make changes to your page. When you're ready to add the calendar, type a / followed by the word calendar. This simple command is your gateway to bringing up the calendar option, which is essential for proceeding with the insertion. Although it might seem like a minor detail, entering the correct command is key to accessing the calendar feature in Confluence. Once the calendar option appears, go ahead and click on it. This action will embed a calendar right into your page. Having a calendar on your Confluence page can greatly benefit your team, as it offers a visual, easily accessible overview of all your scheduled events. With a calendar in place, your page becomes a central hub for tracking and managing important dates and times. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to click on Update to save your changes. This step confirms that your newly inserted calendar is saved and visible to anyone who accesses the page. These updates are not only functional, but also significantly boost collaboration, ensuring that everyone stays informed. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a calendar into your Confluence page. By incorporating this feature, you've made your Confluence page more dynamic and informative, benefiting not just yourself, but your entire team as well. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to insert a calendar in a Confluence page. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.